Hi there, this is the brand new apartment of Victor at Istenhegyi út, which I told you. It's the kitchen, the so-called American kitchen, open. Here you should have a storage room. This is the living room, and when the garden will be finished, it will have a garden connection as well. And we have 3 large bedrooms. 1, 2, and the 3rd one. And the kitchen once again. And here's the bathroom. With a nice tube and toilet also. Everything is new. And you also have a separate toilet here. And we will admire once again the view. First from here and after from the terrace roof. Exactly opposite there's a famous János Hill, which is the symbol of the city, and here will be the garden where the girls can play. That's it. Thank you.